so today we're doing a huge PR unboxing. There is a lot of stuff to unbox. Let's do it. I think I can call myself a professional unboxer. Let's unbox. Okay, first up, we're starting with the biggest box. Are you ready? That's your cue to break the box. Thanks. my assistant. Okay, this is like a ginormous box and I know who it's from, so I'm very excited. This is from my darling Aprajita Toor, as you guys know, and that's why I'm opening this first. I have waited for 2 weeks to open this package just so it would make it to the unboxing video. That's how consistent and diligent I am, okay? And I've obviously got my unboxing scissors in case you guys missed that. I feel like maybe I should have been standing for this because the package is way bigger than the usual. Ooh! Okay, there's another box in here, guys. Okay, I've gotten a lot of Aprajita Toor boxes, but I'm pretty sure this is the biggest one ever, okay guys? Like, I'm gonna try and get this out, okay? I'm gonna have to stand, I give up. Cha-cha-da-da! Okay, we're gonna take this guy out. And put this guy here. What do we have here? I know what we have here. It is a one-of-a-kind gift and I am so excited about this. This is from the Project Mehbooba collection. It is one of the totes and I have been eyeing this for very, very long. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. It's a nice bright pink and it's just so beautiful. It's got like obviously a zipper and stuff and some really cute bag charms. Sammy likes it as well. It is huge. Like I can fit my laptop in, I can fit my whole life inside. Thank you, AT. I love this. What do we have here? Oh, this is from Barewear, the guys that I order my nipple pasties and all of that from. Okay, there is a lot in here. Wow, this is crazy. There's like a strapless bra, there are of course pasties, there's nipple covers and like I think they're in different sizes, I'm assuming. Maybe I can add this into one of the giveaways for you guys also because I have a lot of these already. Thank you guys, this is really nice. Then we have one of my favorites, Dr.Jart. You guys are becoming very consistent in my unboxings. What is this? Oh, this was for Valentine's Day, guys. I'm a little late in opening this, sorry. This is their Vital Hydra lip mask that I'm obsessed with. Like, how cute are these pouches? Like, look at them. So they're, I think, different. The blue one is the one I've spoken about extensively, this one. Like, you have seen this in my favorites, in I think my favorites of the year last year, all of that, still using that same dabba that someone said, oh, it looks like she's barely used it. I've been using it since I think August, September, and it's still lasting me. It's one of the best lip masks ever. Love this. And what do we have in this one? There's a pink one. Oh, it's a his and hers. Might have to share with the husband. This is the bubblegum flavor. Ooh, like how cute is the packaging? Like, look at this. Like, this is so cute. And these are so cute. Thanks, guys. Another Valentine's Day package from Secret Alchemist. I think these are perfumes again for Weber and I. There's also some, I think, candles in here that are pretty cute. Oh my god, like, look at the heart candles. Like, how cute are these? And I love the packaging on this also. Like, you can see they're like two little flutes. I think one's probably men's, one's women's, I'm assuming. Okay, so we have 4 of them. I'm gonna spray some just to smell. That is so nice. This one is Royal Tuberose. That's so good. So 2 are mine, 2 are Webber's, or all 4 are mine because he doesn't know he's getting this. Shh. Thanks, guys. Up next, we have some Bridgerton stuff. Okay, very excited. What do we have here? Ooh, okay, so this is a Dove into Bridgerton collab, I think, and we have a body wash here and a shampoo, which is pretty cool. I actually have been using the peptide shampoo and conditioner, and it's pretty good. I've been liking it quite a bit. So yeah, this is beautiful. Like, I love the packaging on this. Thanks, guys. Up next, we have some products, I think. Also, guys, last time a lot of you asked me about my scissors. These are unboxing scissors, and no, I've not named them. That is the name. They are by a company called Scotch, and they are normal scissors like this. And then when you move them, they get locked and they become a cutter. Great for offices, great for unboxers like me. I think I can call myself a professional unboxer now after all these years. This one is from Milagro Beauty. They had some of their products at the Cosmo Beauty Awards. I think that's where I saw them, yes. And unfortunately, we didn't win this year, but Rida won in our category, which is really nice because you guys know I love Rida. But yeah, I saw their products there when I was there. So I think this is all their stuff. I'm just going to open it so we know what we have. Okay, so we have quite a bit. There's a whole brush set with a sponge also, which looks really pretty in gold. There's a concealer. There's a lip glaze, which looks interesting, which is a high shine gloss balm stick. And then there's also this, what is this? Hydrating matte lipstick. Oh, this is like a quad, oh, the quad squad. So similar to, what did I show you guys in the last unboxing? I really like products like this, which have like multiples, because it's so easy to use so many lipsticks. So when you're traveling and you want to carry like a bunch of them, you don't have to do that. You just carry one stick and you're good. So can't wait to try this. And what else do we have? We have a cream blush. So yeah, looking forward to trying these products. If you guys want a review, let me know in the comments. Then we have a tote bag. See, this is the part where the cutter part is not so great, honestly. Like, you have to do it 2-3 times to make sure you get it, unlike a regular, like, really sharp cutter. But I do feel like safer using this. Like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like I'm going to cut my hands, you know, which I feel with a blade always. What do we have here? This is too juicy to handle. What is this? Ooh, okay, it's some Nykaa stuff that we have. Some stickers. This is their Wonderlust collection that they've sent me a lot of times. Really love these. Like, the body washes are so good. This is the shower gel. I've used this a lot. Not this particular fragrance, but you know, generally. This is all the Plum cherry. There's a smaller fragrance thing, a bigger bottle, and this is also there to carry the little guy as a bag charm. Like, this is cute. Extra marks for this, guys. Love it. Thank you. What do we have here? Okay. It's the box in here. Ooh, something from Dermafique. Let's see what we have. Okay, there's the cutest puzzle with a wedding photo of Weber and I from our wedding. Okay, which I will make and maybe frame. This is really cute. That's the frame. Unfortunately, I think something has leaked all over the box. It's either the body serum, or yeah, I think it's the body serum, which is all over, which is why everything is chip. We have the body serum, and we have the rich creamy foam and some really cute flowers. That's very pretty. Thanks, guys. Up next, I know what's in this box because I've already peeked and looked at it. I actually opened this because I had to try them to make sure the size was okay. These are the most beautiful shoes from this brand called Disobedience, and I love them. Okay, let me show you. Are you ready? How beautiful are they? Like, they've also given you like the polish and a little dust bag and all. Very well done. I love them. Like, look at this. And they've got a beautiful wooden heel, like so different, so unique. I thought they were like very me. Like, I would wear this with, you know, a shirt and jeans. Love them. They look super cool when you wear them as well. Thanks, guys. What do we have here? It's all pink. What's here? Okay, what is this? Oh, this is Benetint from Benefit. Like they have the most insane packaging, guys. Like look at this. Like how beautiful is this? This is so cute. Okay, so this is like a little dice bag for your products. There's like a zipper, but like how cute is this? Okay, I am dying, guys. I'm sorry, but I get very excited by these little beauty bags because I actually use them when I'm traveling and all. I think it's so cute. Like look at this. And obviously inside it we have Benetint, which is my iconic favorite tint since I think over 20 years now. And then we have Bene Glaze, which is the new thing. I have not seen this or tried this at all. Let me know if we should do a review or is it worth the hype. You guys know I'm a Benetint girly. Let's see if I'm a Bene Glaze girly. Thanks, guys. Then we have this bad guy from Underneat. Thank you, Kusha. I am looking forward to seeing what's in here. Honestly, I've been seeing their products everywhere and I've been dying to try them. Packaging is very cool, I have to say. You've got a little comic over here, which is pretty cool. And then, ta-da! Okay, so we have a lot of stuff in here. There are some pasties and I think there's also, what's in here? Is this shapewear or is it, ooh, like stick-on silicones or bunny ups are they? Can't wait to try all this. Thank you. Ta-ta-da-da! You guys know this iconic yellow bag and yellow brand. I don't need to say anything. This was a Women's Day package that I just got the other day. These are some huge full-size products from Sol de Janeiro. Love, love, love this. You guys know how much I use this. I actually tried this recently. I had the mini of it. This is the body wash and it is really, really good. Love it. We also have the oil, the famous scrub and cream. Can't wait to use all of this. Thank you, guys. Next one is from Redken. Now, honestly, I have been dying to try some products from Redken after I used the shampoo. I used the one for frizzy hair and I really, really loved it. So what do we have here? This is the acidic bonding concentrate leave-in treatment. So like a mask, I suppose, which looks pretty good. And we also have a whole bathrobe, right? Ta-ta-da-da! So yeah, looking forward to trying this. Thanks, guys. Up next, what do we have here? Some alcohol, which is always welcome. Some wine, which looks really, really good. Like, love the packaging and the colors on this. I'm gonna enjoy this with my dad to celebrate his successful cataract surgery that just happened after he's off his meds. Thanks, guys. Something from Lancome. Wow, okay, this is really pretty. What do we have here? Feels like a glass thing. Oh no. Okay, this is really interesting. What do we have here? Ooh, okay, so these are some of their best-selling products and it's signed by Sonam because she's their new ambassador. I have actually tried this years ago and it was really, really good. So looking forward to using this again. And this looks so pretty. Like, look at this bottle. Like, how stunning is this? Can't wait to try all of this. Thanks, guys. Then we have the last one, which is the prettiest one. Honestly, I don't want to open this. Like, look at how pretty this package is. Definitely going to save all the ribbon. That's something I always do, guys. Whenever I get these PR packages, I save all the ribbons and the packaging and try and reuse it if I can. Okay, let's pull out the card first so I can tell you who this is from. This is from Deepika and Sumu. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I don't know what exactly is in it, but I know it's a bag. I think it's a bag because they have a really cool brand and I've known Deepika for years and she said, I'm sending you a gift. Ta-ta-da-da! Okay, now this I'm going to rip. I just cannot. I cannot wait. What do we have here? So I know she told me the bag is really functional and great for travel and stuff because I'm someone that needs my whole world in my bag, as you know. And This is really cute. Like, look at this. So it's one of those convertible ones that you can convert into a backpack, I think, because that's why it's got straps on the side as well. So you can obviously hold it like this, like a regular bag, or use it like a backpack as well. Ooh, I like that. Like it has the back handles as well. Like how cool is that? And it's got nice zips. Very functional. Can't wait to use this. Thank you. Okay guys, those are all the packages that I had to open today, and as promised, there will be a giveaway at the end. With the last one as well, I just put together a bunch of products from all the PR packages. It doesn't mean that it's from this video particularly, but could be from earlier videos as well. And send someone a hamper or send multiple people hampers. The details are in the description. So check the description if you want to enter. All the brands are also linked in the description. So if you want anything from today's video, you can go check it out. But yeah, enter the giveaway, and also the last giveaway's winner has been announced. Go check that video's description. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and as I said, comment below and enter the giveaway. See you guys. Bye.